The workshop is interactive and immersive. It allows you to understand the Vietnamese coffee culture all while teaching you to make the coffee. Quan is engaging, proactive and very much knowledgeable. He is hands-on and ensures that the workshop is lively and fun. Worth a try and coming back to. We were taught 3 amazing Vietnamese coffee recipes in this workshop. Sierra, our instructor, had a fun way of teaching us while also sharing the culture in Vietnam. She is warm and sweet. We definitely enjoyed our class with her. Came in a minute late to an amazing workshop, full of facts, stories, cultural exchange, and most importantly, coffee. Ms. Truk/Bamboo made the workshop feel like a safe place. I appreciate the support for the communities that produce coffee in Vietnam. They showed us a documentary on the Arte which is really interesting. I really wish the world make them flourish. After the workshop, I used my complimentary 40k VND coupon to get one of their mocktail coffee drinks, Phin Con see picture. Overall, awesome place. Glad I came here. I recently attended the Lacàph Vietnamese coffee workshop in Ho Chi Minh City, and it was a fantastic experience. The workshop was not only fun but also incredibly informative, perfect for anyone who loves coffee. We explored 3 different Vietnamese coffee styles, and I particularly enjoyed their signature coffee. It's a must-try. Our host, NY, was exceptionally kind and knowledgeable, guiding us through the brewing process with enthusiasm and expertise. I also tried the egg coffee workshop at Lacàph's Cafe, and it was amazing. The barista was incredibly nice and demonstrated expert techniques. The egg coffee itself was delicious, with a rich, creamy texture that exceeded my expectations. It was a delightful addition to my coffee journey at Lacàph. The atmosphere was warm and inviting, making it easy to connect with fellow coffee lovers. Overall, I highly recommend this workshop for anyone looking to deepen their appreciation for Vietnamese coffee while having a great time. Any coffee enthusiast should try and do this workshop. 3 different kinds of coffee concoctions will be made, all with a connection in Vietnam's history. The workshop leads are knowledgeable and the personalized certificate after the workshop is a welcome plus. The workshop was super fun. If you love Vietnamese coffee, you should try this. Plus a signature coffee of Lacàph was so bomb, I love it. I was also so happy that we make my favorite salt coffee or coffee muối. Love also the fact that they gave the history of each flavor. Sierra also and Vi made the whole activity more fun, so shout out to them. Very good teachers. Sierra and I were like old friends that meet again. I love her. I also love the location itself. Sad part was that was my last day, so I didn't get to try the cafe itself and just the workshop. A great coffee experience. Our host was lovely, making it very enjoyable. We made 3 different coffees, learned a little bit about the history. A nice surprise was a certificate at the end. I would recommend to do.